back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I usually do anything Disney, but today we are at
Barton G.
Barton G's in LA. There's parking for $13 VIP. Well, you know how that goes. And then we're gonna go in. It's a 9:30 reservation p.m. I should be sleeping. Yeah, but it's his birthday celebration, so it is what it is, and we don't throw a fit. So let's get to it. Hi, so the restaurant was actually really small and really loud, so I'm gonna have to do a voiceover and show you just some of the things we ate and our experiences. This is a menu for the one in LA. There is also one in Miami and one in Chicago. I will tell you that you do have to make a reservation a long time in advance, and they do call you the night before just to go over things. The one in LA required us to show our vaccination cards and for us to wear a face mask until we were seated down. Now this was back in February, so I'm not sure if that's going to change now that LA County has changed some of their policies. I will also tell you that every adult has to get an entree, so it doesn't matter how much you spend, but everybody has to get at least one entree, and then everything else is optional. Just something to consider when you're looking to come here with your family. So we're actually going to go ahead and get started with drinks first. So my parents and I got the Barton signature sangria bottle. It was $53, and we got this cute little matador centerpiece to pour them into. Once they are all poured, they do take the little matador away so he doesn't stay there the whole time, but I think this was my favorite, and I'm probably gonna be looking for that wine bottle because it actually tasted pretty good. Brian, the birthday boy, actually got the Diamonds Are Forever. It was a little bit sweet because there is a popsicle and the popsicle melted, so it was a little bit more sweet than he would have liked, and it was such a cute display, very cute for like an engagement almost. But I think we agreed that his drink was a little too sweet, at least for our taste. Then we got appetizers. So they got the lobster Pop-Tarts. This is the one that are like highly raved. It comes with two. I will say that the decoration for this one was a little bit lackluster because it's just a toaster, and they took it immediately. Like it took this footage and then it was gone because they had to use it for another table. They said it was pretty good. I don't eat seafood, so I did not try it. They said it was pretty good, but it could be better, so nothing too exciting on that end. The next thing up was the entrees. So they actually have entrees that are for two. So the first one we got is Don't Be a Jerk Chicken for two. This was for my mom and I, and we both really liked the chicken taste. The decoration on this one was the best thing. It was so loud, it was so noisy, it was so big. They had an iPad playing different like chicken songs. It was so funny, and the chicken did taste really good. The rice was a little too strong for me. It tasted a little too much like ginger and garlic for my liking, but my dad and my brother really liked it, so that works out. And my mom and I really liked the chicken, so not bad for this one, and it was quite a bit of chicken for what it was. My dad and my brother ended up sharing the Great American Steak. They both thought it was really, really good. I thought it was good. It was a little too rare for me, but it came with a huge fork, just over the size, just super cool. And then finally we got a dessert, the Chocolate Treasure. It was pretty good. I think they really liked the ice cream that came in this. I can't really eat ice cream, I know, what can I eat? But the chocolate like shaving cereal thing was really, really good. And the presentation was cute. If it's your birthday or anniversary and you let them know, they do give you a little sparkler, and they say it's for free. I think they say it because they know everything else is like super expensive, but it was actually really cute. We ended up singing to my brother, and the brownie was good. It was crunchy. It does have nuts, so if you have nut allergy, they do ask you that prior to bringing it to you. And it was a cute display overall. Again, I think it looks cuter in pictures and like when you see it in people's tables, but I think there was better looking desserts out there than this one. They had like a huge dollar bill one, a huge cotton candy one, just really big displays. This was not the biggest display, but it was still really good, and my brother really enjoyed it. So overall, our family gave it a 7 out of 10 on average. I think some of the things that contributed to that was the great service that we got. Our servers and hostess were all really great. I think also some of the ways that the food was brought out was really creative and really fun. And for what we went to celebrate our birthday, it was perfect. So if you're celebrating something, this is definitely special, and probably you won't forget it. Would we go back out of our way to go? No, but if a friend wants to go out of town and they are here, then would we take them? Absolutely, if they want to go. The food, I personally compared it to cruise food, where it's good, but it's not like great. So it tastes really good, but for the price, you're not paying so much for the food quality, you're paying more for like the experience. So think of it as an experience when you go here. It was overall a little bit expensive, so I will say it was about $3.50 for the four of us, just something to consider. Let me know if you have any questions whatsoever in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Overall, we've had a fun time, and I hope my brother had a great birthday. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see other videos like this. And until next time, adios.